Hi, I'm Billy, and welcome to Jack of Trades. In this video, we will learn how to implement a simple file upload using Laravel Livewire. If you're still new here, watch the previous videos. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Before we begin, let's add another field in our posts table so that we can store the file names of each featured image in every single post. Let's declare the featured image column as text and nullable so that MySQL will not treat it as a required field. After that, let's go to the resource, Views, Livewire, and open up postform.blade.php. And add in an input form field with a type of file. We will call the public variable featured image, so let's add in the wire model featured image. We map the file that we are going to upload in the featured image variable. Let's reload the page and see our newly added form element for uploading. Now, let's go to our app, http Livewire, and open our postform.php file and add the file upload implementation. As you can see, we imported the Livewire with file uploads and used it in our post form class like so. Let's add in the public variable featured image so that our wire model will work from the front end. And the next thing we want to do is add the featured image variable in the validation as an image since we want to upload images for every post. And after this, we will add in the actual code for saving our uploaded images somewhere in our project folder. In Laravel, when you upload an image, it actually goes to the storage/app directory. Now, let's add in the code that will upload the featured image. We want to put this code snippet because every time we save our post, we should be able to upload that image on our server. It is very important that you set the directory of your to be uploaded image in the public/whatever your directory's name. In our case, we will just save the featured image in the public/photos directory. Note, doing this alone will not make your uploaded image publicly accessible. We will run another artisan command later to make our uploaded image available to the public. Let's test our code and try to see if the upload functionality is working. Now that we uploaded our image, let's try to see if it is there in the storage public photos directory. Let's copy the name of the file and try to access it in the browser. We will make this image publicly available so that we will be able to see it in our app. As you can see, it's not yet available. To solve that, we will run an artisan command to make our public/photos directory and everything inside open to the public. Type in php artisan storage : link like so. As you can see, it creates a storage directory inside the public directory like so. Let's go to the browser and access it again. Now, we can access the uploaded image. Let's add another code to our backend to save the uploaded image's file name. It's very important that you save the file name's hash like so, because it is the actual file name that will be assigned to the uploaded image. By doing this, we should be able to save the file name of the uploaded image in the database table. The last thing we want to do here is to update our tables view in the front end. Let's go to Resources, Views, Livewire, and open the post.blade.php file. And display the featured image like so. Now, let's test out our code and see if this is actually working. Let's try to upload an image again. As you can see, we are able to gracefully add the upload functionality with just a simple and straightforward line of codes using Laravel Livewire. And that is how you do simple file uploading in Livewire. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, write down your comments below and hit subscribe if you're new to this channel. Be sure to click that notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is up. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.